The Constitution requires a peaceful transition of power by the President and the Vice President at noon on January 20th. In this unique Corona-era election, however, the President and Vice President, there seems to be some indication that they would question the results of the election should they feel there's fraud involved. And the truth is that the peaceful transition of power must occur as a legal matter regardless of any lawsuits that might be filed alleging fraud, voter suppression, counting irregularities, anything like that should be and will be handled by the courts independently of the transfer of power. So we've seen lots of examples of that requirement that the transfer occur regardless of lawsuits happening. And we can predict that they will happen given that there have already been, by some counts, over 200 lawsuits filed between the two parties, the RNC and the DNC, leading up to the election so far. But again, the transfer, as it happened, for example, in Georgia, in the most recent Senate race, Stacey Abrams had some credible claims about voter suppression with the very long lines that African American voters had to stand in order to vote. That legal battle continued on for almost 2 years after the election, but there was still a transfer of power. So that's just one example, and it's, again, not a rare situation.